Hi, my name is Praful Pillai, and I've been living in Bangalore for over 20 plus years. And somewhere in 2014 is when I decided to look at solar as an alternative way to get predictable power. Given the bad distribution systems that we have, I stumbled upon U Solar as an organization which I thought did a very great job, very detailed job of understanding my requirement, collecting my requirements, and finally they came up with a recommendation of a 3 kVA system. That is what I have here. And since now 6 years I've been using the system. I think I've got a 6-pack battery panel downstairs, and it is still functional, though they said the life was only for 5 years. So that's how efficient the system has been for me. So at two levels, at the economic level, there has been great benefit. My bills don't go beyond, I have 2 meters and it doesn't go beyond 1,000 to 1,100 rupees. And the other thing is the predictability of power. And third thing is, I think, more at an emotional level about reducing our carbon footprint, reducing dependency on fossil fuel usage, because Bangalore has got almost 300 days of sunlight. So I would recommend people who have the space in their house to really look at solar as an option to get very predictable, safe, secure power. And second is also get some savings. And third is do your bit for society, in terms of contributing to usage of solar, which is available in abundance. So, and as far as services are concerned, USolar has been doing a great job providing me AMC. Anytime I call them, I've never had any issues, but if ever I've had something, they are very prompt. They have an AMC model that you can sign up for, and which allows them to come in and use the system very well. So overall, very happy with the USolar experience.